So yan guys, naglabas na si Xiaomi ng kanilang bago expansion for the Redmi Note 12 series. And this is the Redmi Note 12S. Alam naman natin, it's expected na meron S series na lalabas para dito sa series na ito. And in this video guys, pag-uusapan natin ang kanilang design, ang kanilang gaming, ang kanilang photography, and ang kanilang overall feel. Kung ano masasabi ko dito sa unit na ito. Tara, simulan natin. So hi guys, ako nga pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So itong Redmi Note 12S na may 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of storage is currently priced at $12,999. And I'll be linking everything on the description box below para malaman nyo kung saan siya pwede mabili. But before that, unbox muna tayo. So guys, right now, i-unbox na natin itong bagong Redmi Note 12S ni Xiaomi. So meron natin is the ice blue color and 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Ito makita natin on the side. So natin. Andiyan na kayo SIM ejector tool, some documentation, and meron siyang jelly case. And ito yung phone itself with some quick specs. Sa natin. Looks good. And medyo kakaiba yung kanyang camera module. Yung feel niya is matte finish, so wala siyang fingerprints all over the phone. Other things inside the box, we have your charging cable and your 33 watts of fast charging brick. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick phone tour. Sa likod, we have your 108MP na main camera module. Then sa ilalim, nandiyan ang kanyang microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. On the side, you have your volume rocker, power button / fingerprint scanner. On top, ang kanyang audio jack, second loudspeaker, kanyang IR blaster, of course, noise cancelling mic. And on the other side is your SIM tray. And we have your punch hole na camera module dito sa harap. And we have a triple card slot dito sa kanyang SIM tray. So meaning can support dalawang 4G na nano SIM plus isang micro SD na expansion card. So yun guys, nakita na natin everything sa loob ng box na itong phone na ito. And this is a very simple phone na nilabas ni Xiaomi. And kita natin sa likod ng kanyang camera module which sports the 108MP na camera ni Xiaomi. And what's surprising dito sa kanya is still nandiyan ka ng audio jack. And what I love about tong phone na ito is maliit siya. And kanyang form factor is saktuhan lang sa aking kamay, which is not too big and not too small. Now itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G96. It's not a new chip. It's a 12nm chip. Medyo may kalumaan na siya, hindi na siya bago sa industry. So upon checking ka ng score dito sa Antutu benchmark, nakuha naman siya ng near 400,000 points. And pag binreakdown mo naman siya, this is the score na makukuha natin. Checking other benchmark like 3D Mark, ito naman score niya dito sa Geekbench. And quite impressive naman kanyang result dito sa throttling test and nag-throttle siya up to 91% ng kanyang max performance, which not bad. Now, swiping left and right, definitely it's smooth dahil meron siyang 90Hz screen refresh rate. And itong phone nito is a little bit smaller at 6.43 inch and AMOLED ang kanyang display. Medyo makapalang konti ang kanyang mga bezel dito, lalo sa ilalim. So, it makes up roughly 85% screen to body ratio. And the maximum brightness itong phone nito is 1000 nits. So, okay naman siya under the direct sunlight. So, itong phone na ito is running inside Android 13 and ang kanyang OS is Xiaomi MIUI 14. And check naman natin, this one has a level 1 sa wideband security level. So, pwede ka manood ng mga HD on your favorite na online streaming apps. So, ako naman, tinry ko naman manood ng mga videos dito sa YouTube. And I was able to enjoy naman. Even though na medyo mas maliit na kung diyan ka ng screen, medyo hindi lang ako sanay sa mga screen this a little bit smaller na 6.7. But overall, ang viewer experience dito is nice dahil sa kanyang AMOLED display. The colors are punchy and well, watching several films dito like anime, basketball games, and yung mga dark scene na movies, okay naman siya. The black is blacker and expect a good viewing experience naman dito sa phone na ito. Now, one of my favorite things dito to do is of course browsing on social media. Mabilis naman siya mag-scroll dahil sa kanyang 90Hz of screen refresh rate. As long as maganda naman yung internet connection, I don't think there's any problem scrolling dito sa social media. Now, even though the phone nito has stereo speakers, hindi ako nalalakasan sa kanya, no? Listening to Spotify sa phone na ito, medyo nabibitin ako sa kanya. So, I would rather put on my favorite headphones dito na wired or pwede din naman TWS, whatever suits me, to feel the music more immersively dito sa phone na ito. Now, ito phone na ito is ready with the game turbo mode. Pwede mo ilagay lahat ng mga games na favorite mo dito. So, I did play the Call of Duty Mobile dito sa phone na ito and enjoyable lang itong game na ito. Wala akong nafe-feel na lag and wala akong nafe-feel na frame drop as far as I'm concerned. And the gameplay was smooth. Probably the only thing na medyo nabibitin ako dito sa kanya is a little bit more smaller ang kanyang screen and ang kanyang sound is not as loud as I expect it to be. dahil siguro medyo mas smaller ang form factor nito phone na ito, medyo bitin lang ako sa sounds niya. So I would highly suggest na gumamit na kayo ng wired na headphones ito para mas maramdam nyo ang sounds dito when you're playing games. But the overall gameplay experience dito sa Call of Duty Mobile is quite good. Now, ito phone na ito is being packed together with a 5,000 mAh battery and kaya naman na mag-support up to 33 watts of fast charging. So, charging from 10 to 100 takes roughly mga 1 hour and 50 minutes to complete the full charging cycle. Now, on daily usage dito sa phone na ito, I can say kaya naman na magtagal ng 1 whole day and probably it can stretch even beyond 1.5 days. As long as you're using it normally, wala naman heavy gaming, kaya naman na magtagal. Now, it's about time na pag-usapan naman natin ang camera. This one has a 108MP na main camera sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide lens, and 2MP na macro lens. It can only shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. And sa harap niya, there's the 16MP na front-facing camera, which can also shoot only up to 1080p and 30. So, tinry ko naman kumuha na some photos on outdoor condition. I can say na mga photos na nakuha ko are quite good, quite sharp. But yung mga green niya is a little bit more saturated. Medyo may pagka-OA lang mga pagka-green niya. But overall, yung mga colors niya are good. But medyo enhanced talaga siya. Even though naka-off ang kanya AI. Pero feel ko based sa what I see and what's taken dito sa camera, medyo mas matingkad lang mga kulay na kukuha dito sa phone na ito. And when I bring it indoors, well, equally good. Even though na medyo low light naman, using the rear camera, it was able to perform. And taking some really nice shots naman and sharp photos is definitely you would expect from the Redmi Note 12S. Now, using the front-facing camera, there are times na pag medyo madilim, medyo may dilim din ang picture ko. But pag binigyan mo ng tamang lighting, well, I would say na okay naman ang camera niya as long as maganda naman lighting, walang problema dito sa phone na ito. So, tingnan muna natin ilang videos na nakuha ko using the front-facing camera and the rear camera. Guys, this is Redmi Note 12S and right now I'm recording using 1080p and 30fps. Well, the video quality isn't really that nice. It's just average. I would say that probably you might need some better lighting to get a little bit better resolution out of this one. But overall, if you're using it just for video chat, I think it's okay. But for vlogging, nah, just a little bit off for me. So guys, nakita na natin ang mga videos na nakuha natin. I was impressed na both the front and the rear camera, quite stable sila. And to be honest with you, ang ganda naman ng resolution, wala akong naging problema. And what's impressed me is kahit kamay lang gamit ko, wala akong gimbal, wala akong tripod, very stable naman using my, well, bare hands. So guys, ano masasabi natin dito sa Redmi Note 12S? Well, honestly, hindi na bago ang kanilang chipset, which is a Helio G96. Ako personally, I would hope na sana they put in something a little bit more powerful like the Dimensity 1080, ganun, para medyo mas powerful itong phone na ito. But given that it's a G96, well, honestly, medyo hindi ko lang masyado feel yung chipset. Medyo luma na siya. And it's a 12nm chip. Would have been better if they use a 6nm chip to improve its performance on this phone. Kasi running Call of Duty Mobile dito is quite okay. Pero pag tinakbo naman ng Genshin Impact dito sa phone na ito, I wouldn't say na you would want to play on this phone. So guys, if you are somebody na ayaw na malaki ang phone, you want a casual gaming phone which can give you nice photos and videos, I would suggest you get the Redmi Note 12S. But if you are a heavier gamer, I would suggest you get something else. Now, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.